Welcome to StompPads Math and Coding, where math becomes an exciting adventure through interactive games and activities. In this dynamic course, students use Unruly Splats to transform mathematical concepts into stompable games. Along the way, they strengthen skills in number operations, fractions, and more, while developing teamwork, confidence, and critical thinking. In Mathletics, students dive into fast-paced, interactive games that build number sense and operation skills. Through activities like math relays, they practice arithmetic, fractions, and decimals while having fun. In Math Olympics, students take on challenges that sharpen problem-solving and reasoning. These games promote quick, accurate computation and help students develop true mathematical fluency. By the end of the course, students will have enhanced their math skills, built confidence, and discovered the joy of learning through play. Enroll in StompPads Math and Coding and empower your students to stomp, solve, and crunch numbers in a fun and memorable way.